We've heard the word, and our hearts have been stirred. But sometimes, a song can take that message even deeper. A song that speaks what words alone cannot express. So right now, let's prepare our hearts as we welcome the choir to minister to us in song.
And we know that in all things God works for the good.
Hello guys, welcome to AI with Funzi. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how I achieved this choir ministration AI video masterpiece. Yes, I achieved it using free AI tools and with my mobile phone. So stick to this video to the end because that's where you're going to see the full video of everything.
First things first, we head over to ChatGPT to create the prompt for our image. So this is the prompt for our image. I asked ChatGPT to give me the prompt, a well-descriptive prompt of a Nigerian African choristers in a very big building, a Nigerian church building, inside the Nigerian Pentecostal building. Just give me a well-dated prompt for that. They should wear robes, choir robes, and the lead singer is holding a microphone. So this is what it gives to me right here. So this is the prompt, and this is the prompt you're going to be working with. So I'll go ahead and copy out this prompt. And I'll head over to Ideogram. So we are currently on Ideogram. So as a free user, I think you are allowed to use about 3 free trials. So just create an account. So I'll go ahead and log in because I've created an account. Guys, I have gone ahead to sign up. So this is the interface of Ideogram. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this plus button to start creating my image. So this is the interface here. So remember, I've already copied our prompt, so I'm going to paste it in. I'm just trying to delete the things that are not really necessary here. That's this one's ChatGPT usually add, so I'm just going to delete it. I remember something that I need to add, the like where the chorister is facing, the lead chorister, where she's facing, she has to face towards the direction of the camera. Yeah, the front direction of the camera. So I'm going to add it here. So she faces the front direction of the camera. So it shouldn't be that she's looking sideways or whatsoever. Hope you get me. So I think everything is okay. So before I tap on generate, make sure that the style is on realistic. Yeah, so this is it, realistic, because we want our image to be realistic. So it's already on realistic. So also make sure that the aspect ratio is in 16:9, and once everything is okay, it's going to give us 4 images. So I'm going to tap on generate and wait for it to generate. So guys, this is the image which Ideogram generated. I could have used other AI generating tools. So the reason why I used Ideogram is because it gives hyper realistic images. Can you see how real these images look? So that's the main reason I decided to use Ideogram, because it looks hyper realistic, and yeah, it's just giving this real vibes. It depends on what you want to do, sha. So these are the images it gave us. This one, this very one, this one, and this one. So I'm going to pick this very one because that's what is giving me what I like right here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it long and tap on download image, and it will get downloaded into my device.
So I'm on ChatGPT and I've asked ChatGPT to give me 5 different powerful and loved Bible verses that inspires faith, strength, and love. So once I've asked it this, I'm going to tap on send and wait for some minutes to see what it gives us. So this is what it gives us. So once ChatGPT generates it, you just check the one you like
and then choose the one you feel like you really want to turn it into a music.
Think I'm going to choose this number 4, which is faith and strength. So I'll go ahead and copy the text. Once I'm done copying it, I'll head over to Suno, which is the AI tool that is going to actually convert this text to a music, an AI music. And mind you, you can access this Suno online. So I'll go to my website. Remember, I'm using my mobile phone. So this is the Suno interface. Make sure you sign up. I've already signed up. So tap on this icon at the middle, and then this is where you start creating your music. Create. So I've pasted in my prompt. This is it over here. So the style of the music, I'm going to put in this soulful. It should be soulful, it should sound gospel and emotional, and also it should be sung by, so you have to by your image you have to now determine whether it is a female that is singing it or a male. So I just have to indicate that because I have noticed something. It usually gives the voice of a male when I already have a female image, you get. So I've already asked it that it should be sung by female voice, so that it should just give me female voice, you get. So I'll tap on create. Once everything, I've already added the title.
So once Suno has generated our AI music, we'll go ahead and download it. Make sure you choose the one you like, then go ahead and download it. And then we'll go to the next step, which is then synchronizing our image and our generated music.
Try to access this website. Once you're on the website, make sure you sign up using your email, and then this is the interface you're going to land on. Once you're on the interface, you can see where it writes audio script, and you can see where it writes character. Character is where you upload in the image.
While for the audio script, it is where we're going to upload in the generated music from Suno.
Free usage, I'm going to first of all type on audio script. I want us to upload the audio first. Anyone though can go first.
So using Hedra for free, as a free user of Hedra, you are permitted to upload just 20 seconds of your audio. Yeah, so if you upload an audio that is about 1 minute, that means you have to split that audio. So you're going to see how I'm going to split the audio so that it should be within the range of 20 seconds.
So guys, I've gone ahead to upload in my audio, and I think this audio is about 1 minute, as you can see right here. Remember what I said earlier, that we have to, like using the Hydra's free trial, that it doesn't allow anything above 20 seconds, and this is already above 20 seconds. So we have to like trim this audio. So just go ahead and tap here and drag it, because it's currently looking red, so that means it cannot really work. I have to trim it down. So I have to drag it till where when it turns like blue. This is 18 seconds, so this is already perfect. 19 seconds. So you tap on add to video. If you are done with that, you tap on character. So we have to upload in our image. Remember the choir administration image. Once we are done imputing in our image, so I'm going to put in a prompt, though it's optional. As I said, let the lead singer be the one to lip sync the song, while the rest choristers behind the lead singer move slowly according to the rhythm of the song. So once I'm done with that, tap on send and wait for some minutes for it to run. So guys, this is the image we generated. So this is our video right here.
And we know that in all things God
Put in a negative prompt so that you should know things to avoid. So once you are done with this, you tap on it to download. Save file to device, so you tap on that. So remember that our audio is about 1 minute long. and we just have about 18 seconds of it, which is this. So that means that we still need to start uploading, like repeating this process till we exhaust the 1 minute of our audio. I don't know whether I get, so I'm going to still repeat this. So this first one has been downloaded, so I'm still going to repeat this again. I'll upload the same character, but for the audio I know where the last audio stopped, so you just have to like take notes of where the last audio stopped, so that when you want to redo it again, you start from there.
So guys, once I am done generating the whole video clip from Hedra, so I'll then go ahead and edit them. I'm picking them clip by clip, then I'll edit them using my video editing app. And once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and show you guys the final look.
And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him. That in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose. And we know that in all things God works for the good of those who love Him, who have been called according to His purpose.